guys, it's Jesse here, posting another video. And here is one of the first aid kits that you would need for camping, hiking, anything like that. So I'm going to be telling what the things you should need for the wonders you're going to have, I should say. And yeah. So, first thing on our menu is a knife. You should always have a knife with you to cut something or something with, like do a little whittling. You have to get something out. That's number one. Knife. Number two is these. You can see that these little ear things. I forgot what these called, but of course you need to clean your ears once in a while. And that's there. You see is plastic gloves. Right here is plastic gloves. So whenever you're like, if someone's like badly injured and you have to do something and you don't want to get bacteria as much, you should wear gloves like this. That's number three. Number four is, let's see, okay, wait, what's that? There. Is a stainless steel survival tool. Well, yeah, and it can go to your pocket too. So you see right here, and it's a can opener, a knife edge, screwdriver, ruler, a cap opener, position wrench, 4 virus-sized nuts and bolts head, butterfly wrench, a saw blade, and direction ancillary addiction. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I'm not fully sure. And 2 position wrench. I think we already mentioned that. Lanyard hole, a keyring hole, it's more likely. So yeah, this is right here. So I'm thinking this is the knife edge right here. This is the saw, I think. Here's my guesses. And this is the ruler right here. You can see in the camera. Right there. Yeah. And more stuff like that. And here's the can opener. I probably gonna put this back in here. If I can. Might take a while. Yeah, I can't get it in. Okay. That's number 4. Number 5 is bandage triangular. It's where like you're like if you broke your arm and you don't have a cast and there's not a hospital nearby and you have this bandage triangular. I can't pronounce it right. Yeah. So it's like another, like, you know, this arm hold. So you wrap it around here, all the way back here to your arm. So you're like, you know, people's cast is like basically like that, but it's just holding your arm like that. So that's number 5. Number 6 is, get it. It is a stereo gauze pad, which I mentioned in in the last video, skull pad. Or I don't know what it's for actually. I don't know. I think it's for a knee. I think it's for bad scratches you have, I think, on your knee. But I'm not fully sure. And number 7 is these cleansing wipe, alcohol free. Oh yeah, these wipes just in case you need to clean yourself or have a wound on a leg, an arm. I don't know, yeah, like that, something like that. And most of all, you should always have is Band-Aids. You should always have Band-Aids. It's the most obvious and simple thing you could have. Band-Aids. Yeah. So yeah, cover up a little scratch or something you have. So yeah, there's Band-Aids. And some more Band-Aids right now. And these right here. These little pens here. Yeah, these like you can hang paper with or something like that. I don't know what it's used for. Set right there. And this thing, you can pluck people out. And so yeah, like you have like a little splinter and you like pick it out, something like that. Yeah, so this could be very useful. And we have these compasses. Compasses for a 2-person. So everything's like for a 2-person. So I have a compass right here. And I'll show you how it works. See if it works. So now I know which way's. Hold a second. It's doing its thing. Okay, now I know which way is north now. Yeah, and now which one's east and west, south. So that's good. Yeah, so compasses, important thing. And these again. Alcohol pad again. These Band-Aid things. These Band-Aid 5 centimeter times you break something, like you break a leg or something, you can always have it. You have a stick with you. Should be useful. There's that. Here's a whistle. One of my favorite things when I was in kindergarten. Whistle. Now let's see how it actually works. I'm afraid to blow it too loud because it might hurt your ears if you turn this up. And yeah, like whenever you get lost, you can use this and a person can hear you where you are if you're lost or injured. Yeah. So I'm not set this on the concrete because I get my germs on it. And whatever this is. This. I have no idea what that is. I wish I could say really bad if it has instructions. Not instructions, but something like that. And these are my favorite things you can start a fire with. I really don't want to do it. I kind of want to do it. Let's see if I can try to do it. Let me move this stuff out of the way. 1 second. God dang it, I'm making a mess. Okay, try to do it. For you guys. Hey, how do you do this? I might need some help. I do this? Help me! Looks like I'm having bad luck today. But there's this, a fire starter. One of these, I don't know. It's very embarrassing right now. Oh, hold on a second, I had something, watch. Wait. Sorry, I'm not going to have you here waiting all day, so there's that awful big mistake there. And you have this, whatever this is. I don't know what this is for, but I'll learn eventually. Yeah, there's this. See? Yep. And another bandage. Here's and there's something else here too. Here's the rest of the stuff. Bandaged, extra thing. Then you have the instructions, and then you have this. I think it's instructions. Yeah, this is a first aid booklet. Pronounce it. Yes. Because there are other things you should know about this suspicious thing. Apparently it's wet right now for some reason. So yeah, that's all the things you should have in your first aid kit. Yeah. I really need to learn some more stuff. So I'm raising money for the Appalachian Trail for my first time, and you can donate below. Bye. See you in the next video.